Hi everyone, welcome to Pimmy's Handcrafted Soap. You're hanging out here today with Poi. How's it all going for you guys? I'm excited to be making today's video because I'm making my version of the Activated Charcoal and Tea Tree Facial Bar. Now if you've researched this on YouTube, you'll know that there's hundreds and hundreds of videos on how to make this. I'm actually using the Soap Queen's recipe from soapqueen.com, and I'll list her recipe down below in the description box. So I normally use that recipe and I add quite a few more additives to it. But today's recipe, because I don't have enough oils, I scaled it down to a 20-ounce recipe as opposed to her recipe, which was 36 ounces. And the other additives that I normally add to this recipe is some honey. And I get this locally from Walmart or from any other store, Dollar General, whatever. And of course we have the activated charcoal. I got this from Brambleberry. And for this I'm going to be using 1 1/4 tablespoon. The same amount goes for the honey. Next, for our scent, it is scented with tea tree and a little bit of lavender. Tea tree is quite a strong smelling essential oil, so I added some lavender. You'll see at the bottom some of the white powder there. That's actually kaolin clay, and I put in 1 1/4 teaspoon. It's used to anchor the essential oil blend. And I am also adding goat milk. This is actually evaporated goat milk that I got in a can. I bought that from Walmart. It's evaporated, so if you want to make it into whole milk, you add equal amount of water. So this is goat milk and water mixture making whole milk, which is right here, 0.7 ounces. Here I have my coconut oil. My coconut oil, I get it locally as well. Just whatever store I find the best deals at. So what I'm gonna do next is to go melt this, and then I'll add the palm oil, followed by castor, olive, and Tamanu oil. I'm back with my melted coconut oil. Next, I am going to add 5 ounces of palm oil to this. And this is the palm oil I use. I get it from Brambleberry. Actually, what I'm gonna do next is to add the honey, because this mixture right here, just the palm and coconut oil from the microwave, is about 105 degrees. And honey is thick, so I would like to use the heat to dilute this. We'll stick blend this later too, so that it's all incorporated. I never usually work with a recipe this small. This time it's just because I ran out of Tamanu oil and palm oil, so I scaled it down. Next, I'm adding 1 ounce of Tamanu oil. This is a great oil, you guys. It's dark green in color and it's nutty smelling, quite earthy. And I'm gonna link the Soap Queen's recipe and information for this soap in the description box below. You can go read more about it there. Meanwhile, if you wanna see me make another product with Tamanu oil, click the eye in the upper right hand corner. In that video, I made dandelion soft with this oil also. I'm going to go ahead and add the activated charcoal before I add the lye mixture solution. And I'm also going to add the essential oil and kaolin clay blend to this. Clay will also help provide slip to the bar. It smells amazing, you guys. I can definitely smell the tea tree. It's pretty strong and medicinal smelling, and I also smell a little bit of lavender. Before I add the lye water mixture to the oils, I want to talk a little bit about the mold that I'll be using for this batch right here. You may have seen this mold before I use in my other videos. It's a 2-pound loaf mold, so it holds 32 ounces of soap recipe, 32 ounces of oils, and the water and whatever else that's in that recipe. For my activated charcoal and tea tree facial bar recipe, it's normally 36 ounces, so normally I don't use this mold for it. I use a small box, which is the same size as a Kleenex box. I don't have it to show you right now, but the reason I use that is because obviously this is going to be too small for that 36 ounce recipe, and also because the boxes are wider, like this much wider, so I can cut the bars the way I want. I don't cut the facial bars as I do my normal bars. I will cut them smaller, like about 1 inch by 1 inch. But because this is a 20 ounce recipe, I'm just gonna use this one, so that is easy on me as well. You guys ready? Here goes the lye water mixture. This batch will go pretty fast. Time to add the goat milk. What the soap looks like up close and personal. Really dark, really black. Like I've said before, if you search on Google for activated charcoal soap, there's hundreds and hundreds of videos on how to do this. Mine, I just add more additives that's skin loving. See you for the cut. Hey everyone, we're back the next day to cut this loaf. This is how it looks right out of the mold. So I am gonna cut 1 inch this way, and then I'll cut this way as well. So I want small bars out of these. Stay tuned. This is what the cut soap looks like. I still have to cut it this way. It smells really nice. It has a strong smell of tea tree and a little bit of lavender. The tea tree smells herbaceous and medicinal. I quite like it. Check out the properties of it below in the description box. Now we're gonna cut the soap this way, as I quite like the facial bars to be smaller. The finished activated charcoal and tea tree facial bar, guys. I hope you like it. It is loaded with goodness like honey, goat milk, and kaolin clay, as well as lavender and tea tree essential oil with activated charcoal, of course. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. And also, if you have questions, please leave me a comment, or leave me a comment to say hi. So next week is Thanksgiving. We'll be going to Texas. I'll try to upload a video from my iPhone. If I can, I apologize in advance. So see you next time, guys. Bye.